Hi guys, this is Mainak and welcome to my channel. And today we'll be unboxing this collar wireless earphones, and this product is by Mivi, as you can see. And the MRP quoted here is 4,999, but I got it for 2,000. You can check the description area where I will leave a link for this. And here we can see few of the specifications regarding these wireless earphones. It has HD stereo sound aptX codecs, and it is a long battery, ergonomic design, noise cancellation also it has, wireless, convenient, sweat proof also, so you can always wear this if you're going for a short run or gym. And it has also powerful bass also. Let us unbox this and see what is there inside. Okay, this is a little bit tough to unbox. Just give me a second. Okay, so basically this is a wireless earphones, as you can see. Okay, and guys, this is magnetic in nature. Okay, so it easily gets fixed here, and also it is magnetic here. Okay, so pretty much this one. Let us keep this aside and let us check what is there inside the box here. And we will get some extra ear tips, and obviously USB, and this is a micro USB cable, USB to micro USB cable for charging this charger. I'm sorry, this is okay. And how to put this up, let me see. Okay, so as you can see, you just have to press this and just going to light it up. It gave me a haptic feedback, and it's going to see the light is glowing. And you can always pair it with a smartphone. Two smartphones it accepts, that is one Android and one iOS. And then you can then listen to songs, pick up call, and this side it has vibrator. Whenever you receive a call, it is going to vibrate, and then you can take up the calls from this side. It has volume up and down. And let me use for some more days this wireless earphone, and then I will get back to you with a full review. Thanks for watching guys, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe it, and if you like this video, kindly smash the like button. Take care guys.